reverse bay parking. For reverse right bay parking, when the examiner asks you, so as you're going to enter the car park, examiner will say to you, okay Abby, I would like you to do reverse bay parking. Now you need to start thinking about positioning of the car. For reverse bay parking, because we're doing the reverse right on those bays, we need to be slightly more in the middle of that bay. Give about one door's length or slightly more. Try not to be less than one door from those bays over there. Let's do that first. So we're going to do reverse bay parking, to be precise reverse right bay parking. Okay, so let's position ourselves. So we need about a meter or maybe a little bit more than a meter, but your car have to be straight though. Yeah, that's good, fine. Can you see on your right, you have got bays on your right there. Our first bay will be this one. This will be your second. And then third. If you're going to use that white line, the car will swing into third bay. That is a very important thing to remember. So whichever line you're choosing, you're going to go into the third bay. Do you have any confusion on this so far? Now, on my window and your side window, you have got stickers there. It says well done, perfect, and 2 black lines over there. So those are the reference. One of them will be for you as well, because everyone have got a different height, different seating position. Everybody use a different one. Now, I don't know, Abby, which reference will work for you. Most people, they use either well done or perfect. I would start with the well done sticker. So we're going to go to the reverse. We're going to do our observation. The very first white line, which is aligned with your shoulder, that white line, when that aligned with the well done sticker, we're going to stop our car and we're going to put full lock to the right, remember. Okay, good, well done. And keep your wheel straight, keep your head on the head straight, slowly, and stop once it's filled there. Is it there?
Yes.
That's it. Full lock to the right, please, for me. Full lock. If this reference works correctly, we will be going in the bay correctly. If not, we have to readjust and find a different reference point for you. Start reversing as you normally do, and every 6 to 10 seconds you do your blind spot checks. We'll find out in a minute. Go slowly. Now stop the car for 1 minute here. As you're reversing, this small mirror will also going to help you. So if you notice, we can see the white line start appearing over there. We are going, but we are slightly over here. We're going to keep going, reversing slowly until you become parallel with the white line, please, for me. So keep reversing. So this mirror going to help you a bit more. And yes, there. And what we're going to do with the steering now. Good. And start reversing for me. Keep doing your blind spots and keep reversing. Good. Keep reversing, keep doing your blind spots. And because there's a wall behind, the car will going to beep later on. So you can go a bit more until it starts beeping a bit more faster. There you go. And secure the car. Once you secure the car, you should be able to see that the car is inside the bay. I can open my door, I can see it's inside. You can open your door and have a look. Are you inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Now, even though we are in, but just about, examiners will be fine with that. Stop. So your car is straight, but what is not still straight? Yeah, that's it. Good. Good, well done. Bingo, well done. Blind spot checks again. Slowly. Well done. There you go. Any problem, any questions?